Hey guys, and welcome back to a month in review for diamond painting. I have no finishes this month for the month of October, but I will for the month of November. This painting here that you see is Medusa, and she has been the painting we have been working on the last 2 months, and I will be finishing her because I am almost done and I'm just breezing through the last of it. And then I have 2 other canvases that are ongoing that I want to finish before the end of the year. The first one is from Jaded Gem Shop. This is called The Painter by Magnan Duty. And if you are a reader, then you will know this is Farah from the A Court of Thorns and Roses series by Sarah J. Maas. Whoops. And then last but not least, I have my Distracted by Diamonds painting here. The Distracted Darling that I will also finish this month. If I don't finish, I probably won't finish the painter, but between Medusa and the Distracted by Darling, or Distracted by Diamonds, the Distracted Darling, I will have finished at least. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But those are the 3 that I have. I don't have anything coming up next right now. I want to finish out the year, hopefully with these 3 finishes, and start clean in January. But if not, that is fine. I know these 3 canvases will be done by the end of the year. That is what I do know. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I know it's short and sweet, but it's just what I have right now ongoing. I haven't had a lot of time to diamond paint, and when I do have time, I have noticed that I've been wanting to take a nap because I just have not been sleeping well. So, but anyway, that is what I have for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.